Hi friends, today we're making a bee in a beehive. First, we're creating the background using a method called printmaking. You're going to use your little red cup kind of as a stamp. I'm getting some white paint from my plate and then carefully putting my cup on the paper and turning it a little bit. So here I'm getting a little more paint. I'm holding my paper with one hand and then I'm using the red cup as a stamp with the other hand. Hold my paper, press down, twist a little tiny bit. You can usually make 2 or 3 circles before you need to get more paint. You see the circles I'm making are touching each other and they're kind of in a row. Getting a little more paint, holding my paper, pressing down. You can overlap your circles, but you still want it to look like circles. So don't put too many on top of each other. After it dries, it will look like this, and we're ready for our bee. So Miss Shirley already cut these pieces for you. On the round part, you're going to make a face. Here's a little happy face. I have stripes for the body. But what if I want a different face? You could also make these type of eyes. This is another way to make it with a happy face. But what if I want my bee to be mean? 2 eyes, and then you make the eyebrows going down. All right, now it's time to put it all together. So you're gonna take the cap off your glue stick, turn it up a teeny tiny bit. Let's glue the body first. You can put it anywhere on your paper. I decided to use my happy face. I'm putting glue on the back and I'm putting it on top of the body. And here are my 2 little wings. So I put one on one side and one on the other. The last step is, I think I'm going to draw some antenna and then a little stinger. And I'm done.